Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. Throughout Islamic history, certain personalities, events, and teachings have left an everlasting impact on the hearts of believers. Among them are Ali ibn Abi Talib, the noble household of the Prophet, the righteous companions, and the sacred month of Muharram. Understanding these subjects through authentic Islamic sources helps us appreciate the sacrifices, struggles, and guidance that shaped the Muslim Ummah. The month of Muharram occupies a special place in Islam. The Messenger of Allah referred to it as the month of Allah. In an authentic narration found in Sahih Muslim, the Prophet said that the most virtuous fasting after the fasting of Ramadan is the fasting observed in Allah's month Muharram. This statement alone demonstrates the spiritual significance of this sacred month and encourages believers to increase their worship during it. One of the most important days of Muharram is the day of Ashura, the 10th day of the month. Before the obligation of Ramadan fasting, the fast of Ashura held great importance among the Muslims. Authentic narrations in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim mention that the Quraysh of Makkah used to fast on this day, and the Prophet also observed it. Later, when the Prophet migrated to Medina, he found the Jews fasting on the day of Ashura. When he asked them about it, they explained that it was the day Allah saved Prophet Musa and his people from Pharaoh. In gratitude, Musa fasted on that day. The Prophet then said that Muslims have an even greater right to Musa than they do and encouraged the Muslims to observe the fast as well. Toward the end of his life, the Prophet expressed his desire to distinguish the Muslim practice from that of other communities. He said that if he lived until the following year, he would fast on the 9th day along with the 10th. This became the basis for the well-known recommendation of fasting on the 9th and 10th of Muharram together. As Islam continued to grow, Ali ibn Abi Talib emerged as one of the most respected figures in the Muslim community. He was the cousin of the Prophet, one of the earliest believers, and later the husband of Fatima, the beloved daughter of the Messenger of Allah. His life was closely connected to the prophetic mission from its earliest days. In Sahih Muslim, Ali narrated that the Prophet informed him that no one would love him except a believer, and no one would hate him except a hypocrite. This narration highlights the elevated status of Ali and the importance of maintaining love and respect for him in the hearts of Muslims. Another significant narration comes from the farewell pilgrimage and the event known as Ghadir Qum. Addressing the Muslim community, the Prophet reminded them that he was a human being and that the time was approaching when he would answer the call of his Lord. He urged the Muslims to hold firmly to the Book of Allah and repeatedly reminded them about his family, the al-Bayt. This narration is preserved in Sahih Muslim and continues to be one of the most frequently discussed traditions regarding the Prophet's household. The Prophet's affection for Ali can also be seen in the famous story of Abu Turab. One day the Prophet found Ali resting in the mosque with dust covering part of his body. Smiling affectionately, he brushed away the dust and called him Abu Turab, meaning father of dust. Ali later regarded this as one of the most beloved titles ever given to him because it came directly from the Messenger of Allah. The companions of the Prophet as a whole also occupy a unique position in Islamic history. In an authentic narration found in both Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim, the Prophet warned later generations not to insult his companions. He explained that even if someone were to spend an amount of gold equal to Mount Uhud, it would not equal even a handful of what the companions spent in the cause of Allah, their sacrifices during the earliest and most difficult years of Islam can never be fully matched. Among those noble companions was Ammar ibn Yasir. The Prophet foretold that Ammar would be killed by a rebellious group. He stated that Ammar would be calling people toward paradise while they would be calling him toward the fire. Many years later, during the Battle of Siffin, this prophecy was fulfilled exactly as foretold. During later periods of internal conflict, the companions continued to recognize one another's virtues despite disagreements. Ammar ibn Yasir once declared that Aisha, the mother of the believers, was certainly the wife of the Prophet in this world and in the hereafter. Yet he reminded the people that Allah was testing the community through those difficult circumstances. This statement demonstrates the respect that the companions maintained for one another even during times of great political tension. Authentic narrations also inform us about the existence of hypocrites during the Prophet's lifetime. In Sahih Muslim, reference is made to certain hypocrites whose true reality was known to Allah and whose hypocrisy would ultimately be exposed. These reports remind believers that true faith is measured by sincerity and obedience rather than outward appearances. As the Prophet's mission approached its completion, major events unfolded. In the 9th year after Hijrah, the expedition of Tabuk took place, demonstrating the growing strength of the Muslim community. In the 10th year after Hijrah, the Prophet performed his farewell pilgrimage, delivered his historic sermon, and conveyed his final public advice to the Ummah. Only a few months later, in the 11th year after Hijrah, the Messenger of Allah returned to his Lord, leaving behind the Quran, his teachings, and a generation of believers who would carry Islam to the world. The lives of Ali ibn Abi Talib, the al-Bayt, and the companions continue to inspire Muslims today. Their stories teach courage, sincerity, sacrifice, patience, and devotion to Allah. By studying their lives through authentic sources, we gain a deeper understanding of Islam and strengthen our connection to the generation that preserved this faith for all future generations. May Allah be pleased with Ali ibn Abi Talib, the al-Bayt, the mothers of the believers, Ammar ibn Yasir, and all the noble companions. May He grant us the ability to follow their example with sincerity, wisdom, and steadfast faith. Ameen.